De hvide handsker var fundet frem af gemmerne, da regentparret indbød til nytårskur for diplomatiet i Danmark. De 77 nationaliteter blev modtaget af ceremonimester Kim Christensen, som herefter viste de mange diplomater ind i riddersalen. For nogle ambassadører var det første gang, de skulle ønske kongefamilien et godt nytår, mens andre havde prøvet det før. Men uanset hvad, så er det stadig en stor ære. Også for den amerikanske ambassadør Rufus Gifford og hans partner Stephen.
Is as a country that obviously does not have a constitutional monarchy like Denmark does, to be able to be invited here to greet the Queen and wish her and her family a happy New Year. It's a very, very special thing.
Og hvad taler man så om med regenten, når man for anden gang er til nytårskur?
So that's always a very nerve-wracking thing. What are we going to talk about? It's really, and she's so easy to talk to, and she's so lovely, and she often will ask us questions. But I figure we'll talk a little bit about the last year when we spent time with her last year at this event. We were still very new at this job, so I look forward to just sort of discussing the things that we have done and the mutual cooperation between the countries. And so just
Da de mange gæster havde ønsket kongefamilien et godt nytår, var der et glas og en kanapé i et af de tilstødende gemakker.
Billedbladet, Danmarks royale ugeblad.